Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is very special to me and my family. We are here in Accra to revamp our father's old poultry farm. A place that is filled with memories, hard work and legacy. It's been quiet for some years, but today we are here bringing it back to life. This poultry farm was built almost 3 decades ago by our dad. He started small with just some few chicks and a dream. Over the years, it grew, but like many old farms, it needed some serious maintenance. The first thing we had to do was clean up everything.
Odi, Koti, Akoti lo Gary. Yeah, Akoti. Take it Akoti.
To subject matter no ha. Take it Koti, Bible. What is a bed?
Replacing the damaged boards, fixing the leaks, as well as plastering the cracked floors.
And all of a sudden, the hammer was missing. 5 people, 5 strong men. 5 strong men, they were looking for this hammer. Here was the hammer. All the people here. Hey!
Yeah, so it's day 2 here in the farm, and since the place is dry now, we are going to disinfect the whole pen with this chemical. Yesterday we were able to buy this broiler starter. It's called Kujis. We were able to buy 4 of them, and that's what the day-old chicks will be taking. Before the chicks arrived, we knew we had to build them a proper home. That is a place that was very warm, dry and safe from predators, especially mice and cats. Now, once the structure was ready, we prepared the inside. We spread fresh sawdust evenly across the floor to keep the place clean and warm for the baby chicks. Though we had limited modern equipment, we were able to make use of the local equipment that we had, such as buckets for water, old pipes, and old feeders. It was time for lunch, and guess who the master chef was? The food was on point. Broiler chicks are so sensitive, especially during the first week. So we made sure the pen was properly disinfected and the box was set to keep the temperature just right. Not too hot, not too cold. We checked every corner, sealed gaps to keep out rats and cats, and built simple wooden barriers to prevent cold air from entering at night.
Very soon, this place will be turned into a hub for these day-old chicks. They'll be arriving, God willing, tomorrow. And latest by in the evening, we'll make sure this place has enough heat so that they can have the good temperature for their development. We are done with everything. The place is all enclosed. Done!
This project wasn't just about rebuilding a poultry farm. It was about honoring our father's legacy and proving that nothing is too old to start again. If you enjoyed this transformation, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment if you'd love to see the next update when the farm is fully running. We out.